Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. Hey Kooks, this question says, is the following matrix in row echelon form? If yes, is it in reduced row echelon form? So here's our given matrix. Let's look at the key features of a matrix in row echelon form. So the first feature is the top row starts with a 1 and has zeros below it. So this first row here does start with a 1 and it does have zeros below it. So that's a check. Second feature says the first non-zero number in every row is 1. So that's true. 1 here, and the first non-zero number in the second row is also 1. And it will be at least one column to the right of the first one in the row above it. So that's talking about this one. It is to the right of the first one in the row above it. So that is correct there. And then lastly for this step, number to the left of the 1 must be zeros. So in this case, there's no numbers to the left of this one, so we don't have to worry about that. This one, though, there is a 0 to the left, so that checks out. So that's great. So the second feature right here is satisfied. The third feature says all numbers below each initial 1 must be 0. So here's our initial 1, and there's a 0 below it, so that's good. And then this one, there's no numbers below it, so we don't have to worry about it here. So that one checks out as well. And the last feature says if a row contains all zeros, it must be the bottom row. Well, there's no row that contains all zeros, so we don't have to worry about that step. So therefore, all of these features are check out. So because of that, this matrix here is in row echelon form. So I'm going to go ahead and circle yes here. So it's in row echelon form. Next, let's answer the question, is it in reduced row echelon form? Now, as a caveat, the matrix must be in row echelon form in order to be in reduced row echelon form. So let's take a look at the key differentiator between row echelon form and reduced row echelon form. So I'm going to erase our chart here and bring up our new chart for reduced row echelon form. So the key difference between reduced and just regular row echelon form is this right here in this step. So all numbers above and below each initial 1 must be 0. So this is the big differentiator between reduced row echelon form and just row echelon form. So I'll read that again. All numbers above and below each initial 1 must be 0. So here's our initial 1. The numbers below it are 0, and there's no numbers above it, so that's good. Now this one, here's our initial 1 in row 2. Notice above it, there is a -6. That's not a 0. So that actually violates this feature here because above and below any initial 1 must be zeros. So therefore, this matrix here is not in reduced row echelon form. So I will circle the no. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.